Hello fam, welcome back to my channel, and by the title of the video you know it's all about The Face Shop. The Face Shop is a Korean skincare brand which have their skincare line as well as they have some makeup products too, which I'm not a big fan of. Now yes, over the years I have tried a lot of product from Face Shop. I've showed you so much, but I've never done a dedicated review on any of the products. But frankly speaking, I have tried so much that it would have not been possible for me to review single product, or else my channel would have been the Face Shop channel. So yes, I did try a lot, but not every product made it to my favorites. As I have already mentioned about the Korean skincare in my first part where I talked about Innisfree, Tony Moly and Laneige, that yes, Korean skincare is more of a hit and miss. So yes, here also you're gonna find out some hits and some miss. Now I have tried a lot of cleansers from the Face Shop. The first one I've ever tried is the Rice Water Bright Cleanser. I don't have it in my hands to show you, so I will put a picture on the screen. Now this is one cleanser. I have used like 3 to 4 tubes of it and I have absolutely loved it. It really cleans your face and remove all the dirt you have. It really works as a good double cleanse when you do a full face makeup, because it really helps to remove every nook of makeup you have it on your face. So yes, I really liked the Rice Water Bright Cleanser by Face Shop. If you were eyeing that one, you should definitely grab on, because it is made for all skin types, and yes, it really doesn't make my skin feel dehydrated or drying after the wash. So yes, one of the best face washes made by the Face Shop. Moving on to another cleanser is more of an exfoliating cleanser, and this is my second tube, is the White Seed Exfoliating Cleansing Foam. Now this is a packed tube. I have not opened it because I'm currently using a lot of different cleansers. Now frankly speaking, why I like this one, because it has those micro beads which you really don't feel it on your skin, or you may not feel that they are doing excessively something on your skin and damaging it. But gentle exfoliation is always good for skin if you're not into physical exfoliation all the time. I personally don't use any kind of scrubs on my face, so I look out for cleansers like these. Yes, I have used this one tube. That is why I went ahead and bought another one, because yes, this is something which really cleans my face well. You can use this product daily, but I like to use it like thrice a week, that's it. But you can actually use this product daily. All in all, a wonderful product again by the Face Shop. Another cleanser, totally optional if you're into makeup and you love wearing makeup and you want something instant to clean your basic makeup, this is the one to go for. This by itself will remove your basic makeup. Not this intense eye look, but anything minimalist, this can remove it by itself. You really don't need a balm or an oil or anything to remove your makeup. So yes, this cleanser is for that. But again, it is expensive, so I would not say go ahead and buy it. As I said, if you wear makeup and you need something like this, then only invest in here, or else you can totally skip it. Another cleanser, a cleanser which I will not recommend anyone to buy, is the Mango Seed Cleansing Foam. The two reasons: first, it's very drying on the face, and second, it has a very strong alcohol scent which is not pleasant, and every time you squeeze it out you feel as if you're putting a bottle of liquor on your face. These are the only two reasons I'm not going to recommend this product, and it doesn't do anything extraordinary. Instead, it is drying out my skin, and frankly speaking, this is one face wash which gives me those dry patches also on my skin. So yes, not worth your money. It is expensive, so please keep yourself away from this one. Since I have talked about cleansers, let's move on to some removers. Now yes, this is the Herb Day Cleansing Cream by Face Shop. Wonderful product if you're eyeing an inexpensive cleansing balm which absolutely work like Clinique Take the Day Off, get this one. This will cost you, I think, 380 or 50 rupees, and you get a lot of product here. I've used like tubs and tubs of it, and this one is also done. So yes, this is something which you can definitely invest in your money, and I would highly suggest you stop using wipes on your face and start using a cleansing balm, and you will see some amazing changes in your skin. All in all, again, a wonderful product by Face Shop. Since we are talking about makeup removers, another addition, Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. This is something which I keep in my bathroom with that cleansing foam I showed you. Now what this does, it removes any waterproof lipstick if I have it. So this really instantly removes that lipstick, and with the help of the cleansing foam, I just get rid of all the makeup I have. So this works as like a gentle makeup remover. It is not going to remove the hardest makeup like the one I'm wearing. Let me be brutally honest here, because there are people who say इससे सब निकल जाता है, but मेरा नहीं. I don't get rid of my kajal, or for that my mascara. It's always there. So yes, this is not the strongest cleansing oil. There are many other strongest cleansing oils which can remove everything, but this one doesn't do the job the way I expect my cleansing oils to do. So I will not be buying the bigger size of it, or for that matter the smaller size also. Instead, they have a bi-faced one. Get that one, because that will absolutely remove everything you have on your face. So I will pass on this one too. Moving on to another wonderful product by Face Shop is their Jiju Aloe Soothing Gel, Aloe Vera Gel. This is a must. You should have it, because you can use it on anyone. Anybody can use it. This can be used to calm down your skin, or if you have any kind of irritation, just apply this. You are set. Your irritation just goes away in minutes. You can use it on a child, you can use it on your husband, you can use it on anyone, you can use it on your face, body, hair. So this is a must. This is like the third tub I am using, and I always have aloe vera gel in my skincare. I use it, I mix it with a lot of my other things and use it, because yes, this is a magical product and it is inexpensive, easily available, and yes, you get a lot of product here. So yes, this is worth investment, and yes, I absolutely love this one. I feel Face Shop has a lot of hits and yes, misses. So the other product I'm going to show you now is again a miss, is the White Seed Brightening Serum. Now frankly speaking, this didn't do anything for my skin, and it is hell expensive. So if you are looking for a serum which is white seed related, think about it, read about it, know about it, and then buy it. Like, I really like their chia seed range, and I was super excited when they launched the white seed. It didn't do anything, sorry, but it didn't do anything. And I don't have anything negative to say about this product, because frankly it didn't do anything bad to my skin, but it didn't do anything extremely, or for that matter, good to my skin. So I didn't see anything on my skin after using this one. No changes, no brightness, no rejuvenation, no freshness, nothing. None of the good terms I remember can relate with this product. I cannot relate with this product. This didn't do anything for me. So if it is working for you, continue using it. That is why I said I don't have anything negative to talk about this, but I have nothing positive also. So yes, totally waste. I used the whole thing because I cannot throw it. I have nothing. See, I have nothing. So I have completely used it. I will not be repurchasing it, neither I will recommend anyone to buy, but if you like it, continue using it. So by now you know I have tried a lot of Face Shop products. The another product by Face Shop I absolutely loved, and this is my third jar, is the Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. A product I feel you should definitely put in your money in here, because firstly, if you're a combination to oil, you will like such kind of moisturizers, because it clearly says it is No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. It hydrates, but it doesn't leave that creasiness on your skin, or wo jo cream laga ke people say na, oh my skin is glowing, that you're not gonna see with this one. This really fits in well, and yes, you can wear it underneath your makeup. You can use it as a night cream, you can use it as a day cream. Basically, it's an all-in-one cream, all-in-one moisturizer, absolutely made for everyone. But dry skin people, there's another variant, you try that one, but combination to oily, you can go for this one. This is really well made. Another eye cream which I have tried from Face Shop is the Face Shop Mango Seed Silk Moisturizing Eye Cream. Now I'm still using it. I have a little bit left, very tiny bit left, you see, very tiny. Now frankly speaking, yes, it is an expensive eye cream, but frankly speaking, again, this product has a very strong scent of liquor, and it is not pleasant. Now frankly speaking, I don't use this product underneath my eye anymore. I like to use it only around here and these inner corners, because I like to put my eye creams around my eye, inner corners, and around my lip area. But this product is not made for me, because again, this one also has a strong scent of liquor, which is not pleasant, which is not good, and I don't like it. I'm just going to finish up the product soon so that I'm done with it and I'm not buying it again. Please don't buy this product. It's not good, not good. Since we are talking about moisturizers and eye cream, there are another two variants I've tried from Face Shop. Now frankly speaking, these two moisturizers were marketed really wrong, and frankly speaking, because of the wrong marketing, I ended up buying these. The first one is the Calendula Essential Moisturizing Cream. Everybody said it's made for a combination to oily skin. Frankly speaking, it's not made for me. This is a very thick, heavy feeling moisturizer, well made for winters only. You cannot apply this all weather because it is supremely hydrating on your skin. And second most important thing, that if you are a combination to oily and if you start putting this one, you end up getting acne also, and then it gets really worse. So I did apply this in my summers and I really hated it, but when I was applying this one in my winters, I was enjoying it. So it's more of a weather oriented moisturizer, so think about it and then buy. But if you're a dry skin, I will still give you a warning on this one, just because since it is a heavy cream, if you have open pores or if you have huge pores, you may start feel that your pores are feeling clogged. So think about it and then buy. I wanted to share the exact feeling I had with this one. So this one is something which is like expensive, and secondly it's weather oriented, so kya hota hai na, the expiry keeps coming near. So again I will say, think about it, read about it, know about it, and then buy it. That was still inexpensive for me. This one in particular is damn expensive. Is the collagen pomegranate and collagen volume lifting cream. Such a mouthful name. This comes in a very heavy duty packaging like this. Now frankly speaking, this one is marketed as a night cream, and for that matter it is marketed for people who are into their aging. But frankly speaking, not every aged person is a dry skin person or an oily skin person, or for that matter a sensitive skin person. I am a combination to oily, but is this product made for me? No. But how can I use this product and how should I be including this? Nobody tells me this. If you're a combination to oily, use this product as your night cream. That's it. Don't use it in your days, or for that matter evening. Use it only in your night if you're not using anything else, because this product is heavy. It's heavy. You don't need anything else with it. So all in all, this is something clearly can be used only as night cream. And combination to oily, one more info, that try using this product only into your winters and only as a night cream. Don't use this product in your summers, or for that matter monsoons, or any changing weather time, because this can give you some problems if not applied in correct amount or the number of days you apply this one. Now this one in particular I use only once a week, because this product is heavy and it does make my skin feel a little plumber, I would say very uneasy plumbing. So yes, this is the product which is again a miss, but a hit also, because yes, it does a lot of things for your skin, but not to be used regularly. Now we are down to the last two products. This is a complete kit. This is their Yavadam range. Now I got something recently, I got this free. Now this is not made for me. I got it free, I can't do anything about it, but this is something which is not again made for combination to oily. So if you're combination to oily and you have used the whole kit and you feel, oh my god, it's so wonderful, no, it has done some amazing damages to your skin. Please check your skin again. Because if you were applying this and there were this time when you happen to see a lot of breakouts or redness or itchiness in your skin, this was the product which was causing that. Because again, it's not made for combination to oily. It's heavy, it's creasy, it sits on your skin, it doesn't do anything. Sorry, the claims I am making on this product may differ from person to person. It may not be happening in your case, but I am combination to oily. It has not worked for me, so I am telling you exactly what I felt with it. So I will be keeping this kit aside, maybe just add it in a giveaway. But yes, this is not made for combination to oily. Please keep in mind before buying the whole range, because this is an expensive range by Face Shop. Now there is another range I have tried. I have used it and I didn't like it at all, and I got that range in again a kit format. Now I don't have anything to show you because I used it last year. Is the First Therapy range. Now that range is also a hit and a miss. A lot of people love it, but my skin didn't like it, because frankly speaking guys, if you're following me and if you're watching me, you know I don't suffer from excessive acne, or you personally don't see a lot of acne or acne marks on my skin because I pre-treat them. But if my skin is in its best situation and I happen to apply a product like this, the Therapy one, and it starts giving me breakouts every time I put a product, somewhere or the other I get a breakout or redness, it means my skin doesn't like the product. So yes, my skin didn't like the First Therapy range also. So if you were eyeing that one also, read about it. So again I will say, read about it, know about the product, and then put in your money, because yes, it is an expensive range. Now we are down to the last segment, sheet masks. Yes, Face Shop by itself has a lot of sheet masks and they have some amazing offers all the time. Now I personally liked only one variant by them, is this solution sheet mask, which comes somewhat like this. Sorry, they come like this. Now I have tried a lot of variants in the solution one, the brightening one, this is the pore care one, then there is some skin firming one. Now frankly speaking, all the solution masks are good and they are well made to treat your skin. Now again, as I mentioned in my first part also, sheet mask is not something to be made as a part of your skincare. It is something like a quick fix. Now there are days when you want to go out and you want to look fresh, you can use these on your face. That's it. This will just give you that nice awakened skin and done. Don't expect too much out of them. But वो 100 rupees वाले where you get these tea tree, honey, papaya, whatnot, don't get those. Get these. They are better than those. Either way you are just paying 50 rupees extra, but I feel these are much better than the 100 ones. So yes, these are the sheet masks I have enjoyed by Face Shop, and I have only the solutions ones now with me, and I don't buy too many of them because I don't use them on regular basis. It's like a quick fix. So अगर मुझे इसे use भी करना है तो it will be hardly like 3 months में one time. That's it. So even if I get like one time, like buy 5 and get 5, I'm sorted for a year. I really don't have to put too much money in these because they are one time use. And I really don't want to add a lot of waste to our nature also. So slowly I'm also getting away from them. इससे अच्छा होता है, try a face pack. That's much better for your skin. They really do absolute wonderful things for your skin. Now before I leave, I would just like to give you one information that before buying any Korean skincare, keep in mind few things. Just don't buy the product because somebody said that it is hydrating, somebody said that it is made for combination to oily, or somebody just said by opening the bottle that it is made for dry skin. Because skincare products work differently, you have to use the product at least for a month to know it well. So just don't buy the products blindly. I will be leaving down everything in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself, and I will be here soon with some more skincare and makeup videos. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @pranzinggeek. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.